Life on Earth. It's a phenomenon so remarkable that it has captivated the minds of scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. From the microscopic building blocks of cells to the vast complexity of ecosystems and civilizations, life seems to defy the odds. But what if we told you that our planet's journey from lifeless rock to a thriving biosphere might not have been entirely Earth's doing? What if the origins of life as we know it didn't begin here, but somewhere out there, beyond the reaches of our solar system? What if, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, life didn't just happen on Earth, but was brought here? Could the spark of existence, the very foundation of what we are, be the result of an ancient cosmic delivery or even the deliberate act of an advanced alien civilization? Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating idea, a hypothesis that suggests life on Earth could have extraterrestrial origins. From meteors carrying organic material to the audacious concept of aliens seeding planets like Earth with the raw ingredients for life, this is a story that will challenge everything you thought you knew about existence. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic journey across time, space, and the mysteries of creation itself. To unravel this mystery, we need to explore a scientific concept as thrilling as any science fiction story: panspermia. At its core, this idea suggests that life is not an isolated event bound to Earth, but rather a universal phenomenon capable of spreading across the cosmos. Imagine the universe as a vast garden, with seeds of life drifting through space, carried by comets, meteors, or even the intentional acts of intelligent beings. These seeds might land on a planet like Earth, one with just the right conditions, and, over billions of years, bloom into the incredible diversity of life we see today. There are two fascinating branches to this hypothesis. First, there's natural panspermia. This is the idea that life's building blocks, like amino acids or even microorganisms, could hitch a ride on celestial objects, surviving the harsh journey through space until they find a hospitable home. But then there's directed panspermia, a concept that feels straight out of a sci-fi epic. This theory suggests that an advanced alien civilization might have deliberately sent these seeds of life to planets they knew could sustain them. What if Earth was chosen as part of a grand experiment or a desperate mission to preserve life as their own planet faced destruction? Could humanity itself be the result of such an extraordinary plan? Let's bring this cosmic story back to Earth. Our planet formed roughly 4.5 billion years ago, and within a few hundred million years, an instant on the cosmic clock, life appeared. How did this happen so quickly? Was it mere chance, or was there an external nudge? Astrobiologists have uncovered intriguing clues. Take meteorites, for example. These space rocks, which often crash into Earth, have been found to contain amino acids, the essential ingredients for life. Some even carry sugars and other complex organic compounds. Could a comet or asteroid, rich with these materials, have been the delivery system for life's earliest components? And then there's DNA, the miraculous molecule that forms the blueprint of all living things. Its complexity and universality raise an extraordinary question. Is it purely the result of earthly evolution, or could it carry the fingerprint of something or someone far older than our world? What if our very genetic code holds whispers of an alien origin? But what if it wasn't random at all? What if life's arrival on Earth was intentional? Directed panspermia takes this hypothesis to an entirely new level. Picture an alien civilization, eons ahead of us in technology and understanding. Perhaps they faced the end of their own world, a dying star, a catastrophic war, or an uninhabitable environment. What if, in their final act of survival or an altruistic desire to spread life, they sent out probes carrying microscopic life forms to distant, habitable planets? Imagine a fleet of interstellar seeds, each one programmed to find a planet like Earth. When they arrived, these life forms could have adapted and evolved, eventually giving rise to the ecosystems we see today. If this were true, it would mean that humanity and all life on Earth is not just connected to this planet, but to a lineage that spans galaxies. Could the stars above us hold the secret to our origins? And if those civilizations are still out there, what might they think of the life they helped create? Of course, no great hypothesis comes without its challenges. The universe is an incredibly hostile place, and the journey from one star system to another is fraught with dangers, radiation, freezing temperatures, and the sheer vastness of space. Could microorganisms really survive such a journey? Surprisingly, the answer might be yes. Experiments on the International Space Station have shown that certain microbes can endure the vacuum of space for years. And scientists have discovered extremophiles on Earth, organisms that thrive in conditions once thought impossible, from boiling hydrothermal vents to the frozen tundra. Could these resilient life forms hint at life's ability to survive interstellar travel? Still, skeptics argue that even if panspermia explains how life arrived on Earth, it doesn't explain its ultimate origin. Where did life begin in the first place? But perhaps that's the beauty of this theory. It doesn't just answer questions, it invites us to think bigger. Imagine the paradigm shift if we discovered that life on Earth was seeded by an alien civilization. It would rewrite our history, reshape our understanding of identity, and force us to confront the humbling reality that we are part of a much larger cosmic story. If panspermia is true, it means life might not be unique to Earth. The universe could be filled with countless worlds, each playing host to a chapter of the same grand narrative. And if an advanced civilization was responsible for our origins, could they still be out there, watching, waiting for us to join the stars? This realization wouldn't just be scientific, it would be deeply personal. It would unite us as a species, reminding us that no matter our differences, we share a common origin, a cosmic ancestry that binds us to the universe itself. The idea that aliens brought life to Earth is as exhilarating as it is humbling. It challenges us to look beyond our planet, beyond our assumptions, and embrace the possibility that we are not just Earthlings but cosmic beings. So, what do you think? Could life's origins lie beyond the stars? And if so, what does that mean for humanity's future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we continue exploring the mysteries of existence.